Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a vast ocean where the waves crash against the shore in a rhythm that seems both chaotic and perfectly orchestrated. The sun dips low on the horizon, painting the sky in hues of gold and crimson, and in that moment you feel a pull, a whisper from something deeper, something beyond the visible. What if I told you that this very scene holds the key to one of life's greatest questions? Are science and spirituality locked in eternal opposition, like two forces forever at war? Or are they, in truth, partners in a grand dance, revealing the mysteries of existence together? Stay with me, because in the next few moments, we're going to dive into this profound inquiry, uncovering how these seemingly distant worlds are woven into the fabric of our being, offering us not conflict, but clarity, not division, but unity. If you've ever felt torn between the logic of the mind and the calling of the soul, this exploration will light a path forward, showing you how embracing both can transform your life into something truly extraordinary. Let's begin this journey now, together, and discover the harmony that awaits. Picture the stars above us, twinkling in the night sky like ancient guardians watching over our world. Science tells us these are massive balls of gas, burning with nuclear fire, billions of light years away, governed by laws of physics that we can measure, predict, and understand. Gravity pulls them into orbits. Electromagnetism lights their glow, and through telescopes and equations, we map their paths with precision. But pause for a breath. Feel the awe that rises in your chest as you gaze upward. That sense of wonder, that feeling of being part of something infinitely vast and interconnected. Isn't that the essence of spirituality? The recognition that we are not separate from this cosmos, but expressions of it. Science reveals the how, the mechanisms, the data, the repeatable truths that build our technology and heal our bodies. Spirituality whispers the why, the meaning, the purpose, the sacred thread that connects every atom, every thought, every heartbeat. They are not enemies clashing in the dark. No, they are companions, illuminating different facets of the same eternal light. Think back to the great minds who bridged these worlds. Albert Einstein, the father of relativity, once said, "Science without religion is lame. Religion without science is blind." He saw no opposition, only a beautiful synergy. Einstein marveled at the universe's order, calling it a cosmic religious feeling that drove his discoveries. Or consider Carl Sagan, the astronomer who brought the stars into our living rooms. He declared, "Science is not only compatible with spirituality, it is a profound source of spirituality." Sagan looked through his telescope and saw not cold emptiness, but a canvas of intricacy and beauty that evoked humility and elation, the very emotions that stir the soul. These visionaries didn't pit one against the other. They allowed science to expand their spiritual horizons and spirituality to infuse their science with wonder. Why then do we so often perceive a battle? It stems from misunderstanding, from rigid dogmas that claim exclusive truth, whether in outdated religious literalism or in a scientism that denies anything beyond the measurable. But true science thrives on curiosity, on questioning assumptions. And true spirituality flourishes in openness, in embracing the unknown. When we release these false divides, we step into a fuller reality. Let's slow down here. Take a deep breath in and out, feeling the air fill your lungs, the subtle energy flowing through your body. Science explains this as oxygen exchange, neural signals firing in harmony. But spirituality invites you to feel it as life force, as prana or chi, the vital essence that animates us all. In ancient traditions, like those of India or China, there was no separation. The Vedas spoke of the universe's rhythms in ways that echo quantum physics today. Waves of probability, entangled particles that influence each other across vast distances. These scientific revelations mirror the spiritual teaching of oneness, where all things are connected in a web of consciousness. Quantum entanglement, where two particles act as one no matter the space between them. Isn't that a scientific echo of the spiritual truth that separation is an illusion? We are all part of the same field, the same dance of energy and awareness. And when we meditate, science shows our brain waves shifting, stress hormones dropping, even gene expression changing. Tangible proof that inner practices reshape our outer reality. Spirituality isn't anti-science. It's the art of applying science to the soul. Now, imagine walking through a forest at dawn, the dew-kissed leaves shimmering under the first rays of light. Science breaks this down. Photosynthesis converting sunlight into energy. Ecosystems balancing predator and prey. But spirituality invites you to be in that moment, to sense the sacred aliveness pulsing through every tree, every bird's song. This isn't opposition, it's completion. Without science, spirituality might drift into superstition, ungrounded and untested. Without spirituality, science risks becoming mechanical, stripping life of meaning and reducing us to mere machines. History shows conflicts, yes, like Galileo's clash with the Church over the Earth's orbit, but those were battles against dogma, not spirituality itself. Today, neuroscientists study meditation's effects on the brain, finding reduced activity in the ego center, leading to profound peace. Psychologists explore near-death experiences, uncovering patterns that hint at consciousness beyond the body. Even psychedelics, once dismissed, are now scientifically validated for healing trauma, opening doors to spiritual insights that transform lives. Pause again. Let your mind settle. Notice the thoughts arising and fading like clouds in the sky. Science maps these as neural pathways, electrical impulses zipping through synapses. Spirituality teaches us to observe them without attachment, finding freedom in the awareness behind the thoughts. This harmony isn't abstract, it's practical, life-changing. In medicine, doctors blend cutting-edge treatments with mindfulness practices, healing body and spirit together. In environmental science, understanding climate data pairs with a spiritual reverence for the earth, urging us to protect our shared home. And in personal growth, embracing both means living with curiosity and compassion, questioning the world while honoring its mysteries. We don't have to choose sides. We can stand in the center, arms open, receiving wisdom from every direction. As we deepen this exploration, consider the duality of existence itself, the push and pull of opposites that create harmony. Science and spirituality are like light and shadow, each defining the other. Without shadow, light loses depth. Without science, spirituality might lack grounding. Without spirituality, science might forget the human heart. In the quantum realm, particles exist in superposition, both wave and particle until observed, mirroring how our perceptions shape reality, a spiritual truth echoed in ancient wisdom. The more we learn scientifically, the more awe we feel spiritually. Black holes bending space-time, the intricate code of DNA. These aren't just facts, they're invitations to wonder, to connect with the divine intelligence woven into creation. Let's reflect on change, that constant flow of life. Science evolves through hypothesis and evidence, discarding old models for better ones. Spirituality calls us to let go, to trust the unfolding. Together, they teach resilience, adapting to new truths while staying anchored in eternal ones. If you're feeling the chaos of daily life, remember, science offers tools to navigate it, spirituality the peace to endure it. Breathe deeply now. Feel the ground beneath you, the air around you. This presence is where they meet, in the now, where data and intuition blend seamlessly. And what of thoughts themselves? Science sees them as brain activity, electrochemical storms. Spirituality asks, who is thinking them? Are we the thoughts or the awareness witnessing them? Studies on consciousness reveal the brain's plasticity, how intention reshapes neural paths, proving that mind influences matter, a core spiritual principle. We're not our thoughts. We're the vast space they arise in, like stars in the cosmos. Ultimately, the purpose of life isn't found in opposition, but in integration. Science uncovers the mechanics of existence. Spirituality reveals its poetry. Together, they answer. We are here to explore, to love, to evolve. Does consciousness need a brain? Science probes the edges. Spirituality dives into the depths, suggesting awareness is fundamental, not emergent. So, as we conclude this sacred journey, take a moment to just be. Feel the harmony within you, the rational mind and the intuitive soul dancing as one. Science and spirituality are not at war. They are lovers, entwined in the quest for truth. Embrace them both and watch your world expand into infinite possibility. Thank you for sharing this space with me. Now, go forth and live this unity.